Welcome to today's devotion. I am reading from the Hardest Part Lent devotion by Kate Ballard and the Everything Happens team. Proverbs 2, 3 through 4 says, Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Search for them as you would for silver. Seek them like hidden treasures. Proverbs 2, 3 through 4 says, Cry out for insight and ask for understanding. Search for them as you would for silver. Seek them like hidden treasures. Proverbs 2, 3 through 4 says, Cry out for insight and ask.
We would never be able to make total sense of the pain and suffering that we endure, but somehow we may find a little bit of hard-won wisdom in the midst. These precious gems do not erase the pain or justify its presence. Some people have had many ways of describing these unlikely and unasked for takeaways, like Abraham Lincoln, who tried to make sense of the death of his son and live with courage in light of what he knew. This kind of wisdom was the, quote, delicate fruit of a lifetime of pain, end quote, his biographer noted. Sometimes we can only mine a couple of true things, and the rest of it is still garbage. We get to choose if we're going to sift through the garbage to find the gems. As Rabbi Steve Letter says, quote, if you're going through hell, don't come out empty-handed, end quote. So now how do we respond? I want you to think, if you were to name a delicate fruit that you have gleaned after a season of terrible, what would you say? What is the wisdom that you have gained from the terrible? We need to remember that these lessons do not erase or justify what you went through. There's no need to play mathematician on this one. Here's a blessing for the life you didn't choose. Blessed are you when the shock subsides, when vaguely you see a line appear that divides before and after. You didn't draw it, and you can barely even make it out. But here you are, forced into a story that you wouldn't write. Blessed are you in the tender place of awe and dread, wondering how to be whole when dreams have disappeared and part of you went with them. Where mastery, control, determination, bootstrapping, and grit are consigned to the realm of before the dream, promising infinite choices. This is where most of the world lives. Unlimited progress, best life now. And blessed are we in the after zone, loudly shouting, is there anybody here? We hear the echo, the shuffle of feet, the murmur of others asking the same question together in knowledge that we are beyond what we know. May you see a glimmer of possibility in this new constraint, that small truths will be given back to us. We are held. We are safe. We are loved. We are loved. We are loved. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next devotion.